Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready, open the Scribble pad and confirm your input device works. Choose a new page, set orientation, and pick a neutral background so marks show clearly. Now choose a simple brush at medium width. This gives control without clutter. Make a quick test stroke to feel pressure and latency. Once done, establish a light grid or margin guides. They help alignment. These first actions speed later edits and prevent wasted strokes. You now turn rough thoughts into structure. Sketch broad shapes first, because blocking saves time and keeps proportions right. Put sketches on one layer, inks on another, and notes on a separate layer. This makes selective edits painless. Make use of duplicate and transform to try variations without losing progress. As you refine, reduce opacity of the sketch layer so inks read cleanly. Make sure to save versions periodically. This preserves iterations. You finish by cleaning and exporting. Sharpen edges, increase contrast, and tidy stray marks. Merge or flatten layers when the composition is stable because fewer layers simplify export. Choose the right format, PNG for screens, PDF for printing, set resolution, and export a copy. If something goes wrong, pause and diagnose. Test another brush, check stylus drivers, or restart the app. Often a quick reset fixes pressure or lag. Once resolved, save a named final version and back it up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.